Oh, Gaeilge Gach Lá. I was just reading Seacht mBealach, 7 Ways, our field guide to Gaeilge Gach Lá. It's my distillation of our method, our process of letting Gaeilge into your everyday life. The first half of the book is fundamental truths for letting the language into your life. And the second half is this weekly rhythm, week by week, day by day. So each day you always have a bit of advice or a signpost or a bit of support. Every section has a QR code. It's a bilingual book, so it's in Irish and English. You can scan the QR code and listen and read along to the Irish language text. The book is now available for pre-order. There are fewer than 100 copies of the first print run. International shipping is free for all pre-orders during 2025 while stocks last. You can find the order link for Seacht mBealach, 7 Ways on the Bite Size Irish website. Gaeilge Gach Lá.